What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna talk about my new gaming PC and the specs and what I'm going to do with it. So let's start with the specs. First we have 2 gigs, not 2, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 2 sticks, and the sticks are also RGB. The CPU cooler is RGB. It has the GeForce RTX 5060 and 512 gigabytes of storage. So yeah, and 7 fans. The case is super cool. The PC is helping me so much. So what I'm gonna do with it is I'm gonna share with you my game development journey. As you can see, I opened up Unity, doing some tests, and also we're gonna go over my games. The games I made, they're on itch.io. Go check them. They're super cheap, and some of them are even free. Let's talk about what I'm gonna do. First things first, as you can see here, we have Unity. We're gonna do programming languages as well, and game development, and a bit of gaming. As you can see, I have Minecraft opened up. So yeah, that's it for this video, and see you on the next one.